Short story Best Friends. This is the tale of two best friends, Amelia, who was a bit careless and got upset over little things, and Jasmine, who was a cheerful, happy child. They spent great quality time together. They loved each other's company. They lived in the same neighborhood and went to the same school. Everyone praised their friendship. Jasmine always cheered Amelia up when Amelia got upset over little things. Amelia also helped Jasmine in studies. One day, Amelia was running around in her backyard. She accidentally stepped on her doll without realizing. She was chasing a butterfly and didn't notice that she stepped on her doll. Soon the rain started pouring. She hurried inside the house. The next day at school, the teacher announced a show and tell activity. Amelia instantly decided to bring her favorite doll. When she got home, she saw her broken doll. She was very sad. She thought, what would I bring to the presentation now? Then Jasmine came to visit. Jasmine tried to cheer Amelia up, but Amelia was very sad. Jasmine tried her best to cheer her up and went home. When she got home, she saw that her father had bought a new doll for her. Jasmine was delighted to see the doll. She started playing with her doll. But then she remembered the upset face of her friend Amelia. Jasmine told her father that she felt bad for Amelia because Amelia had broken her favorite talking doll. Jasmine's father said, "This is your doll and you're the owner of the doll. You should do what you think is right." "Shall I give this doll to Amelia?" Jasmine asked. "If you think that's right, then sure." Jasmine was so happy and rushed to Amelia's house. When she got to Amelia's house, she saw Amelia sitting quietly in one corner. She surprised Amelia. Surprise! Amelia was shocked and speechless. Jasmine told Amelia that the doll was a gift from her. Amelia was so happy. Amelia said that she would take this doll on one condition, that she would return it after the show and tell activity. Amelia agreed to keep Jasmine's doll for only one day and return it after the show and tell activity. The next day in school, both of the friends presented their toys. Then Amelia returned Jasmine her doll. When she got back home, she saw that her father had bought her a new doll. Amelia was so happy and went to tell Jasmine. They both started playing with their dolls. They made fun childhood memories. Now they are grown-up girls, and their friendship is stronger than ever. Life is better with friends. The end. Remember to like, share and subscribe to Sumkids for more interesting stories.